Hello everybody, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make a paper frog, or a paper mache frog. One single sheet of paper. First thing we need to do is make a square out of it. So we fold this over. And then we fold this back. So it almost looks like a little sailboat. Crease it really good with your fingernail. And then tear that piece off. You can cut it off if you want to be a little bit more precise. Or you can fold it back on itself sometimes. Get a couple folds out of it. So now what you have is what looks like a kite. We then want to take our kite and fold it the opposite way. So we have a triangle. From there we open it back up and we'll take the two sides and we're going to push these two sides inward. After we do that, we're going to flatten the top piece out and we're going to have a triangle. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the bottom of the frog. I'm going to fold one edge up, fold the other edge up, and then I'm going to turn it sideways. I'm going to fold the triangle to the middle and the opposite, triangle to the middle. So I end up with this. After that, I'm going to flip it over and we're going to make the legs. Now to do this, it's kind of like making an airplane. You want to fold this over down the middle of the paper so it almost looks like an airplane, and you want to do that 2 times. That's one leg, and then the other side, same thing. We're going to make it this way. And this way. So now we end up with something that looks like this. Okay, the next step, we're going to put it back on its belly. We're going to spread it open like that. So it almost looks like an airplane. So our 2 folded out pieces are still together. So once we got it folded out, you can see it looks like little legs hanging out the back. We're going to flip it back over on its back. And we're going to fold it just past these 2 little triangles up here. You don't want to push super hard. Just push down enough to put a little pressure on it. And then fold it backwards in half again. Okay. So while you're holding that there, we're going to take this little triangle, pull it down. This little triangle, pull it down. And there's our 2 little front legs. There's our back legs. When we flip it over, we've got a little paper frog. Push down a little bit on the back leg, pull it back, and let go, and it will jump. If you want to get real creative, you can take a little green paper, make a green frog, decorate it, draw some eyes on it, draw a little mouth on it. Just have a good time with it. Anyhow, that's how you make a paper mache frog.